Let's begin by examining the features offered by both Sage 50 Cloud and Zoho Books. Sage 50 Cloud is known for its robust accounting capabilities, including invoicing, inventory management, and job costing. Zoho Books, on the other hand, is praised for its comprehensive suite of features, including time tracking, project management, and automated workflows. Both platforms have strong offerings, but the best choice depends on your specific business needs. Next, let's look at pricing. Sage 50 Cloud offers three pricing tiers starting at $47.25 per month. Zoho Books also offers three pricing tiers, with the basic plan starting at just $9 per month. While Sage 50 Cloud offers more advanced features, Zoho Books is a more cost-effective option for small businesses. In terms of user experience, Zoho Books is often praised for its intuitive, user-friendly interface. Sage 50 Cloud, on the other hand, has a more complex interface, but it offers more comprehensive reporting tools. The choice between the two would therefore depend on whether you value simplicity or detailed reporting. When it comes to integrations, Zoho Books takes the lead. It integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products and over 40 other business softwares. Sage 50 Cloud also integrates well with other Sage products, but its third-party integration options are more limited. Performance-wise, both Sage 50 Cloud and Zoho Books are reliable and efficient. Sage 50 Cloud is known for its speed and accuracy, while Zoho Books is praised for its automation capabilities, reducing manual data entry. Both platforms are strong performers, but Zoho Books may save you more time in the long run. Security is a crucial aspect to consider. Both Sage 50 Cloud and Zoho Books take security seriously. Sage 50 Cloud uses 256-bit encryption and has multiple layers of firewalls. Zoho Books also uses strong encryption and follows strict security protocols, including regular audits and 24/7 monitoring. Customer support is another important factor. Both platforms offer support via phone, email, and live chat, but Zoho Books also offers support via social media. Additionally, Zoho Books has a comprehensive knowledge base and user community for self-service support. In terms of scalability, Zoho Books is a clear winner. Its flexible pricing plans and comprehensive feature set make it a great choice for growing businesses. Sage 50 Cloud, while robust, is best suited for established businesses with consistent accounting needs. Based on our comparison, Zoho Books emerges as the winner. It offers a more user-friendly experience, more integrations, and better scalability for growing businesses. Its automation capabilities can save you time, and its affordable pricing makes it a cost-effective choice. While Sage 50 Cloud has robust features, it may be more than what a small business needs. Thank you for watching this comparison of Sage 50 Cloud and Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one.